Strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Fairways out to 15 nautical miles northwest of Monroe Harbor, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Woodland Beach, Detroit River Light, Elizabeth Park Marina, Monroe Harbor, Estral Beach, Old Harbor of Refuge, Gibraltar, Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor, Stony Point, Detroit Beach, Grosse Ile, Reno Beach, Little Pier, Wyandotte, North Cape, Put in Bay and the Ambassador Bridge.
Put in Bay.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is hazards. Station WNG 647.
Well then. I think I can see why. Look at that.
Hoping to stay away from that one.
Oh yeah.
Part of the transformer that's running these trains after noticing how hot the transformer got.
Well then. By the way, this was issued by Detroit Pontiac. Because my camera wasn't wanting to change. My sister did this. She started handing me everything. Yes, I'm here to Sandusky, so yes, goodbye. No, it's not this.
Northwestern Elkhart County in north-central Indiana, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time, or 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 9:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated showers producing heavy rain across the warned area. Rainfall of 1 to 3 inches has already occurred in this area this afternoon and this evening. An additional 1 to 2 inches of rain is expected by midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include South Bend, Elkhart, Mishawaka, Lockport, Niles, Westville, Buchanan, Knox, Georgetown, Simonton Lake, Goomerville Air Park, Granger, Osceola, Walkerton, North Liberty, New Carlisle, Berrien Springs, North Judson, Three Oaks, and Kingston.
I need to record this. Never gotten a flash flood warning.
Thanks for listening to NOAA.